Bro Emmanuel and Mrs. Murray. Tell us what Jesus has done for you.
Okay. June last year, by the help of God, the enemy tried to sniff life out from my baby while he was yet to comfort, even in the physical. And by the help of God, the baby was born healthy and healthy. And the enemy came physically to sniff life out by using through the nurse to give him a double vaccine, which is not proper. And towards in the night, the baby was very weak and to the point that he was stiff. And one of the nurse attention was drawn, and they have to take him to the pediatric ward. And over there, they have to put on him drips and oxygen. To the praise and glory of God, things was going well. A few days later, a woman was brought in with his own baby, and the bed close to my wife's bed, and oxygen towards my child was also extended to her. And due to stress, as soon as I step out to go and get water to drink so that I can be awake throughout the night, suddenly I slept off. But while as I was out, this woman went and off my son's oxygen and allowed her own to be going. So my wife was in the ward there, sensing somehow. And suddenly she called me and I woke up and I rushed to her and she was saying something oxygen. Then I stepped into the ward. And with the tick of an eye, my eye went straight to the oxygen. Then I asked the nurse, "Did you off my son's oxygen?" The nurse said, "No one, not even her, have the permission to off the oxygen without the permission of the doctor." Then the woman went and I saw it and switched off the general oxygen and switch it on again. To the praise and glory of God, this was going well. And late at night, the machine through which the drip was connected with my baby, it will off at night. And this was going worse and worse. Prayer was going on. On Saturday stroke, Sunday morning, I have to write to Papa and also call the usher leader. "Please help me reach out to Papa. Look at what I'm going through." To the praise and glory of God, as soon as Papa replied, the Lord touched him. Within 2-3 hours, the doctor stepped into the ward and checked. There was a miracle. And the oxygen was removed from him. To the praise and glory of God. Not just only that. I will say Jesus stepped into the ward. A lot of babies that was in that pediatric ward was discharged on Sunday morning. Due to the intensity of what happened to this child, they said they will not allow him to go till the next day. And they watched throughout that Sunday till the next day morning, he was discharged. Only that woman's child, wherein the enemy used. To the praise and glory of God, I'm giving God all thanks.
Appreciate Jesus with a shout.